Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum everyone. This is chapter 7 of grade 4, that is features of Word 2013. Different features of MS Word 2013. Features are actually properties and attributes of this software. There are different attributes: spelling and grammar, thesaurus, change case, find and replace, bullets and numbering, and symbols. Guys, we have done the brief description of these features in our physical class, and today we have to jump on the exercise. But first, I will give you a quick recap of this feature. First, spelling and grammar. This tool is actually helpful to correct our spellings and grammatical mistakes in our content or in our Word document. The next is thesaurus. Thesaurus is a very useful tool that is used for the synonym words, the words which are having the same meanings. The next one is change case. The change case like lowercase and uppercase. The next one is find and replace. Find and replace tool is very helpful to find something in the document, and replace is actually used to replace a word by the other word. The next one is bullets and numbering. Bullets are symbols and mark, you can say, in the document, and numberings are actually specific order 1, 2, 3, 4. The difference between bullets and numbering: bullets are simply the symbols, you can say, and numberings are proper order. The next one is symbols. There are different symbols available in MS Word software. Symbols like percentage symbols, mathematical symbols, and many more. So here we are done with the description of these features. So move on the exercise. Descriptive type question. Question number 1, answer the following, and the A part is: what does a blue wavy line indicate in a Word 2013 document? And the answer is: a blue wavy line indicates a grammatical mistake in a Word document. Below is an example for you. Here is a word there that is underlined by a blue wavy line, that is indicating actually a grammatical error. So the next part is: which type of list, bulleted or numbered, will you create if the order of items is not important? That means there is no need of sequence, you just have to put a symbol or any shape. So which list is important, bulleted or numbered? And the answer is: we will create bulleted list when the order of items is not important. C part: which tab has the option to insert symbols in a document? You just have to write the tab name, and the answer is: insert tab has the option to insert symbols in a document. So guys, hopefully you are much familiar with the where the tabs are actually located on the Windows screen. Next is D part. List the steps you will take to correct a misspelled word friend which recurs throughout a passage written in MS Word. To correct a misspelled word friend which recurs throughout a passage written in MS Word, the spelling and grammar tool is used. That means we are going to use spelling and grammar tool to correct our wrong spelling. And the steps are: select the word friend, click the review tab, click the spelling and grammar button in the proofing group. Spelling task pane appears on the right side of the document window with the correct spelling suggestion. Click on the option change all. So guys, here is a picture that is actually for the description of the steps, where the review tab is actually located on the screen, and then spelling and grammar button, and you can see a spelling task pane on the right side. Here different words are given where you can choose the accurate word according to your content, and then you can click on the change all option. Application based questions. Part A. Danya was asked to create a list of her favorite books in Word 2013. She has created a numbered list. Actually guys, we have to give the answer of different question according to this statement. And the first part is, which tab and group have the option for creating a numbered list? We have to write the tab name and the group name, and the answer is Home tab and Paragraph group. Second part is, can she convert the list to a bulleted list? If yes, how? Actually, they are asking, can she convert a numbered list into a bulleted list? So the answer is yes. She can convert the numbered list into a bulleted list by following these steps. Number 1, select the numbered list. Number 2, click the Home tab. Number 3, click the Bullets drop down menu arrow and select the type of bulleted list from the bullet library. B part of application based questions is, observe the figure on the right and answer the question. There is a figure on the right side and you guys have to give the answer according to this dialog box. The first part is, which tab, group and option will you select to get this task pane? And the answer is Review tab, Proofing group and Spelling and Grammar option. B part is, which option will you select if you want to add a word to the Word 2013 dictionary? Answer is Add option. Add option you guys can see in the picture that is given to the right side, the spelling task pane. The third part is, which option will you click if you want to continue checking the document but leaving all instances of the highlighted word unchanged throughout the document? And the answer is Ignore all option. That means you are not going to check the highlighted word in the document. You just want to ignore them. C part of application based question is, Michelle has written an application to the school principal for 5 days leave. Her teacher has asked her to replace certain words in the application with a similar meaning. Now I think a similar meaning. So here we are going to use the thesaurus. That options having the same meanings. So the first part is, name the feature of Word 2013 that can use to replace the words with their synonyms. And the answer is, as I told you, thesaurus, the option that is having the same meaning. The second part is, name the tab and the group that have the required options. Review tab and Proofing group. So guys, at the last there is an activity for you. You have to make a list of your favorite books, then convert that list into a bulleted as well as a numbered list. By using the feature of the Word, you have to make a list of your favorite books, then convert that list into a bulleted form and numbered form. Bulleted mean with the symbols or mark, and numbered mean proper order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, hopefully it's very clear to you. That's it. Thank you.